Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're fine and doing great. So today we will discuss about two common techniques which using in terms of testing the product. So the first one is black box testing and the second is white box testing. So let's start it with black box testing. Black box testing is suppose you have a product which you need to test before running out to the production. So you will need to test the features, if they are responding correctly or not. You will need to test the scalability of the product, the performance, the load balance. Also you will need to test the features are correctly represent to the users in terms of UI, in terms of validations, in terms of forms, and in terms of listings the products, etc. things. Also suppose you have a e-commerce site in which the users are purchasing a products from your site, so you need to show the exact correct amount of products with a calculation of add cards, all the card items the user have with the discount features and with the extra warranty features, etc. things like that. So you need to be show the correct exact calculation to the users. So this also you can say included in the testing for the black box testing. So these all categories, these all testing have lied in three common types of testing in this black box testing. So the first one is functional, the second is non-functional, and the third is regression. So what is functional testing is, suppose you have a simple example will be, suppose you have a form and you want to test this form. So you will enter some inputs in the form fields, and you want to get the desired output. If not, what will be the errors validation you will give to users? Is it correct validation or not? So this will be the functional testing in a least simple example. What is non-functional testing is, suppose you have a product and you want to check the scalability, check the you can say response time, check the compatibility, and check the you can say which I have already discussed in my previous video, the cumulative frequency, cumulative layout frequency, and shift frequency. This type of parameters, CLS, these type of parameters you want to gather for Google Analytics and etc. things for ranking your product. So these all the parts of a non-functional testing in the black box. And the last one is regression, which is suppose you have deploy a site on a production, and now you have an additional feature or somehow some updated code ready to deploy on a production. So you need to test that if this code is not changing any current functionality which is right, or you can say which is acceptable in the production in the previous version. So so you will test the updated code will not alter, or will not you can say will not change the current functionality. It just need to update the internal code wise, not with the functionality wise. So this will be regression testing. Or if the current functionality need to be changed with these updated codes, you need to test it out also. So these all the three parameters which you are currently which you will need to currently focus while doing a black box testing. So hope you like the content. If you like, please like, subscribe, support to me, and also comment in a comment section about what I can do about give the knowledge about any topics, or what you can suggest me to do, or what you can suggest me to improve in my any learning skill or etc. So इस उम्मीद के साथ कि अपना ख्याल रखेंगे, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।